just fell in love with this car all over again, guys. Wow. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This Chicago weather has been insane. It'll rain for a second, and the sun's gonna come out, and it's gonna start pouring. But the car is absolutely filthy right now. I have not washed it, but today is about to be a good day. I know we have some rain falling, but today's the day we get the single resonated mid-pipe installed. I know I showed you guys all the options I've had. I've read through all your DMs. I've taken all your advice. In the end, I ended up going with the Mastery of Art and Design single resonated mid-pipe. They were back ordered for like 2 to 3 weeks, but the part just got delivered. So I'm gonna take it, gonna grab the car, drop it off to the shop, and then hopefully get you guys some crazy clips. I'm excited, man. I have no idea. This might sound terrible or it's gonna live up to my expectations and sound great. But I know previously I showed you guys what the car sounded like stock. Then I added on the SST valve controller. There's a video on that if you wanna go check it out. It got much louder with the valve controller, but it just wasn't doing it for me. So hopefully now with the combination of the valve controller and the single resonated mid-pipe, we have a much deeper and rich tone, so that's what we're going for. But yeah, stay tuned. Let me just get to the shop real quick. All right, guys, so we're getting the mid-pipe installed. This is the resonator right here. So we'll get some clips up afterwards. Yeah, I'm about to leave the car and then I'll be right back. Yeah, dude, I'm so excited. My only issue was the exhaust. It's so quiet for what an M should sound like. Alright guys, I'm getting a quick car wash right now. Dropped the car off this morning to get the mid-pipe installed. Man, does it sound good. I was not expecting it to be as loud as it is. It's like a classy loud. It's not obnoxious or raspy or anything like that, and that's kind of what I was going for. But now I'm thinking, do I still get the axle back or what do I do? So I don't know, we'll see. All right guys, let me show you how I get in. So everybody asks me, how are the bucket seats, man? So what I do is I make sure the seat is back. I get my first foot in. I put my hand right there. I've literally gone over the bolster already now. And then get back into position and I'm good to go. Guys, I'm gonna try to get you guys some clips of what the exhaust sounds like from inside the car. You put in sport, you click this M1 button right here. I go into my settings. All right. You guys hear those burbles? Actually, I'll go this way. Go ahead. Oh man. All right guys, I am beyond happy right now. I was not expecting it to sound this deep. Like, who says the S58 cannot sound good? Come on, man. You guys cannot honestly tell me this does not sound good right now. Yeah, no, stop right there for a reason. Just turn off the heads-up display real quick. You know, we don't need extra information up there. None of this happening, by the way, but let's see. All right, so my heads-up display is off right now. Alright guys, so I'm just about to get on the highway right now. I'm gonna put the car in manual just so we can have a little bit more fun. Oh man! Put the windows up just a little bit. We do have a situation up ahead, so I'm gonna not do anything crazy right now. car sounds phenomenal, guys. I don't know if the GoPro is capturing all this for you, but woo! Yeah, I'm about to take this exit coming up, but got a lot of situations up on the highway today. So now I'll just drive normally. The cabin's pretty quiet. I'll probably turn off the active sound because I don't know if I need it anymore now that the car sounds much louder. I tried turning it off before with the stock exhaust, man. This thing sounded like a Toyota Prius. And nothing against my Prius drivers. I love you guys, but that's not what this car should sound like.
Police reported ahead.
I gotta take this exit, so let me know what you guys think. Oh man, it's super quiet right now when you're stopped. That's exactly what I wanted. We're about to get those turbo noises with the front mount intake coming up. So I think that I was going to do the axle back before that, but man, the way this sounds now, I don't know if I really need the axle back just yet. I think I'll probably end up doing it just because I do have the option of turning the valves to like stay open 75%. But if I do downpipes plus this mid pipe plus axle bag, that might be a little too insane, guys. So we'll see. I don't know. Nah, I'm probably gonna do it still. Let's be serious. I just fell in love with this car all over again, guys. Wow. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Were you expecting it to be this loud? You guys think I made the right decision? Message me on Instagram letting me know if you guys want me to get the axle back as well. I'm super satisfied. I was not expecting it to sound like this at all, so no complaints here. I think on the next video or coming up soon, I'm probably going to get the front mount intakes installed. I've already ordered a new grill. It's pretty different. I don't think you guys have seen many of these grills out there. I know everybody gets the CSL style grill. The GT ones, it's none of those. My grill is, I think it's unique. It's gonna look fire. I got the carbon fiber front bumper, the scoops ordered as well, so those are gonna be coming in. So just to make sure, I only have to drop the bumper once. I'm gonna get everything installed at the same time. I'm gonna go to the same shop that installed this, so Detail Driven. Thank you guys for hooking me up with this installation. And see you guys soon, and the car is about to sound even better, guys, so stay tuned for the next one.